Hey there, I'm Jess, your friendly neighborhood positive psychology expert. I created connection culture so the audience can tap into the strongest parts of themselves, share what gives them meaning and purpose, and use that to create a better way forward. No trust falls, no pseudoscience, just practical exercises and conversations to boost well-being and make the way forward clearer. So much is changing in the world and in our jobs, and right now we need connection and meaning. When you can get that feeling at work, even if the job stays exactly the same, you show up ready, you're in the driver's seat, and it doesn't feel so much like you're always trying to play catch up or get by. People break into groups, discuss which parts of themselves they feel the most proud of, which parts of their job make them feel most alive. Research has shown that putting those strengths into action, even when our circumstances stay exactly the same, we feel more fulfilled. We feel more meaning and a deeper connection with others. I'm thrilled about this workshop, and I hope to see you there.